This project is placed in this area, and it has a step shape. We chose the shape of the Arbor Forest and Wenyu River Park, giving people a view like a forest picture scroll that is beautiful in all seasons. On the top lighting, it is decorated with the shape of reed to create a natural atmosphere. Solar energy, environmental protection, and energy-saving lamps are selected to realize environmental protection lighting. At night, it is like stars falling, bringing a poetic and picturesque feeling to the top of the mountain.
It took our team almost 3 months to design the entire scheme and adjusted many versions. Through continuous optimization and iteration, the final solution was formed. The first draft plan is a concept made after our initial contact with the owner, based on some ideas and requirements put forward by them. This is an initial prototype. It was only later that I got a survey map of the site and went to the site to inspect the situation of the site. The site is on a hillside, need to deal with the problem of height difference. So you can see that the ground of the adventure tower is divided into 3 sections of height difference. In this draft, we adjusted the shape of the tower body and the treatment of height difference according to the size of the site. The number of layers of the adventure tower has been determined to be 6. Total height 29.8 meters. After determining the overall frame of the exploration tower, the next step is to optimize the play route and refine each game item. During this period, we have communicated with the owner many times. The owner also provided some good ideas. The adventure tower is designed with 2 staircases. One is to wear safety equipment. The other one doesn't need to wear safety equipment. Tourist diversion has been made for projects with different experiences. Also convenient operation and management. We have made great innovations in the game project this time. Incorporate a lot of Chinese elements. There are 24 solar terms for great inventions, for great classics, for treasures of study, etc. There are 6 layers in total. Each layer has a different theme, and the difficulty gradually increases from bottom to top. During the design process, it is necessary to consider the safety of each game, the difficulty of experience, construction technology, possibility, etc.
We started install the first pole on July 11, 2022 after 1 month working of foundation and ground construction. It was also difficult during the entire installation process and took more than 2 months. Everyone in Beijing knows that the weather is very hot in July and August, close to 40 degrees. Under such conditions, the construction period was very tight. Sometimes when the landscaping and road construction machinery and equipment came in, we had no way to start construction at the same time. For the whole project, we had invested 3 cranes, 4 aerial work vehicles, and more than 40 workers. The installation team was working under tremendous pressure every day. Consider how many people worked in each position and what each person should do every day. In that kind of high temperature weather close to 40 degrees and work at a height of more than 20 meters, if any heat stroke of workers, it is far more dangerous than it happened in the normal work environment. The project owner was scheduled to start trial operation on 9 September 2022. In order to ensure the normal operation of the trial operation, all our management personnel and workers have been inspecting and debugging equipments until 4 o'clock on the night of 8 September. During the trial operation period, we also arranged technical staff to offer 24-hour support. And after the trial operation was over, we optimized it according to the owner's suggestions. It took a whole month to optimize and adjust to ensure the ceremonial grand opening on East Street October 2022.
给我歇会儿，你 In order to ensure the safety of players and the normal operation of equipment, we have adopted international leading safety technology as a guarantee. We use LOCKD clip safety system, which is with dual responsive lanyards. When players experience it, only one hook can be opened, and the other hook can only be opened after the first hook locked on the lifeline, ensuring that there is always a hook locked on the lifeline to continuously protect the safety of the players. The equipment has obtained European TUV safety certification. Before play, operators and service personnel must explain the usage methods and precautions to players, and carefully check the safety equipment to ensure that there are no hidden dangers.
Beijing Wenyu River Alpha Outdoor Adventure Tower is the world's largest single rope course facility complex. The entire project took more than 6 months, from the beginning of the design to the final completion. For our group, this time the successfully completion of this adventure tower is the result of the day and night struggle of all of us and the owner of Alpha, Wenyu River Park, which also marks another major breakthrough Kiro Group made in the implementation of various large-scale projects.